All right, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm just going to show you guys how I've been doing my makeup lately this summer. I have been using very minimal amount of makeup. So I'm starting off with the Milk Makeup Primer. Love that primer, you guys, especially for oily skin. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I haven't used this in so long and I have been loving it, especially for summertime. So I'm just gonna blend that out, and I don't put it on my forehead because it really doesn't match too well on my forehead, so I mainly just apply it to my cheeks and then blend it on out like so, and then throw a little bit on my neck. Next I'm taking the Fenty foundation. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. The Fenty concealer and the Too Faced Born This Way sculpting concealer, and applying that where you see me applying it. And then while we're waiting for it to warm up a little bit, make sure you're following me on Instagram at JMarie. So yeah, all right. Next, you guys, I am just gonna blend that out really quickly, and then after I blend it out, you'll see me flip the sponge over and kind of go like where the line of demarcation is right there, and just kind of blend it out. So I'm pretty much just using whatever is left on the sponge, and this helps me to get like a really good base. So next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty setting powder, and I will list everything that I have or that I'm wearing using, oh my gosh, what the heck, in the description box, you guys, so that you'll have it. But yeah, using that to set everything. I did my brows off camera because that took me quite a moment. But next, I'm going in right here with some bronzer. Love bronzer for the summertime. I really love it all year round, to be honest with you. But this is the Fenty bronzer with a big fluffy brush. I've never really been into heavy contouring, so I'm taking a smaller brush and just gonna put that on the side of my nose and drag it through the my eyelid to create, you know, like a little bit of a I don't know, like a contoured nose. Is that what you want to call it? Anyways, do this all the time. Next, you guys, I'm taking this old palette from Anastasia. I know it's like one of the first palettes she came out with, but I'm taking an orange eyeshadow, so any orange eyeshadow will do, and I'm just popping that on my lid, as you see right here. And then here I'm just taking a regular brush, nothing on it, and just blending it out a bit, and that's how it's looking. I do have on individual lashes, but I popped some Ardell Falsies on just to fill in my gaps. And then next, you guys, I'm taking this Essence, I think it's Essence, I think that's what it said, this liquid kind of eyeshadow, and putting it in my tear ducts just to bring a little pop to my eyes, and then lining a bit with black liner, and finishing off with L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. Love me some mascara, love me some gold in the middle on my tear ducts. Sorry, you guys, I'm just messing this whole voiceover up. All right, guys, so next I'm gonna throw on this Milk Makeup cheek and lip balm. I think that's what it is. Anyways, it's a multi-purpose and I love it for the summertime. And to finish up this look, you guys, I'm just going to grab some brown liner. This is Max Cork, and I don't always line my lips. Sometimes I just go ahead and throw on the Gloss Bomb, which I'm about to do right here, the Fenty Gloss Bomb, and then pop some the Fenty, oh my gosh, what is this called, highlighter on my cheeks. Like I said, I'll put all the products that I'm using down in the description box. But yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.